Hey everyone, Ken Adelglass here with Waxaw Kid Coders. Many parents have asked me how do you get the Scratch files that their kids have done and saved onto their flash drives up to the Scratch website so the kids could play it or make changes on it. And so I thought I'd make this really quick video and show you how to get all set up on Scratch so the kids can have some fun and create more games and who knows what else. So first off, let's jump over to Scratch, and the site for Scratch is at scratch.mit.edu, and just hit enter and you'll be prompted to join Scratch or sign in. Now if you're going to be uploading files to it and sharing files, you definitely want to join Scratch. You just click join. I already have a membership, but you want to just go through this process. You pick a username, take a password, be sure to make a note of it. It'll ask you a couple more questions. I believe they will want your email address as well. Just use one of your standard email addresses. They don't spam you or anything, so you're pretty safe there. It's a great site. It's a great community for kids to share code. They could look at more advanced users' code and share it. I'm going to go through a couple things just to give you an idea. So first, what I'm going to do is sign in. And if you haven't signed in yet, go ahead and pause the video and create your account and come back to this point, and you could sign in. So I'm going to sign in here with my account. Okay. And once you're logged in, you'll see your account name up in the upper right hand corner, and you can always get all your account information here. The second one is probably the most important if you want to find all the files that you've uploaded. If you hit My Stuff, you will see everything that's been uploaded to your account, and I've done a few things here and there. Okay, so what you actually want to do to get the file up from the flash drive, go ahead and point to Create, which is right next to the Scratch on the upper left side in the blue bar. Click on Create, and that will be the Scratch environment that the kids are used to seeing. Okay, with one little difference, I use the offline version of Scratch in my classrooms. Down below, you'll see a backpack. That is not in the offline version of Scratch. What's handy about this is if you click this up, you can save blocks of code from other projects or your own projects that you can reuse. Like for example, I have a script down here. I can just drag this back up and use this code again rather than having to write entire blocks over and over again. Just to show you that little feature. That will be really handy for the kids. There's lots of things in programming that you do over and over, and it's a great little feature, and it's one of the benefits of joining Scratch. So let's concentrate on moving our files up to Scratch so it'll be saved and used later. So I'm going to go ahead and hit File, and then I'm going to go Upload from your computer. And also at this point, be sure that you've put your flash drive in your USB port and it's ready to go, because that's what I'm going to be pulling from. So I'm going to hit Upload from your computer, and I'm going to look for my removable disk drive, which is right here. Mine's an E, yours might be a D or an F or a G, depending on how your computer's configured. So I'm going to click that. And incidentally, this is a Windows demo. I do not use Mac in my classes, but if you have a Mac, this would be fairly similar to how you would pull the files up. Okay, so I'm going to pull up one called, I'll do this one called Shark Game 3, and I'm going to hit Open. And it's going to ask me if I want to replace the contents of the current project. The current project is just an empty project right now with the cat standing over here. I just want to hit OK. And up will come my particular game. And that's really all there is to it. It gets saved automatically from here. If this game if you want to share this game and have friends look at it or family look at it, click on Share. Then someone can actually come to Scratch and then search for the game title and find your game. Okay, so this is called Shark Game 3. I'm not going to share it. I think I might even have a couple versions of it already on my site. But I just want to make sure I can play it. So you just hit the play button and you see my game.
Missed me, Sharky boy.
And you see my Shark Game is already working. So I'm going to come back here to click on my name in the upper right, and I'm going to go back to My Stuff, and you'll see I have Shark Game 3 here. And that's all you need to do. There's no extra saving involved. It's all done for you. And that's all there is to it. So this has been Ken with Waxo Kid Coders. I hope this helped you out, and I hope to see you again soon. Thank you.